Hey guys, it's Shireen, Sparkling Vids. Today's video is going to be on first impressions of the NYX mascara, Worth the Hype. Obviously I'm going to see if it's actually worth the hype, because I have been using it and I do think that it is worth the hype. It's really good for the price. I mean, for £9 it's I think coming out of using mascara that's £1.99, it's been really good, so I do think it's a change. I was scared to try it, but I've had good like experience with it, like a good outcome with it. So I'm going to start by applying it now and see how it goes. Because I have quite long eyelashes, I think that it's a plus for people that have long eyelashes. But I am currently using Natural Collection, and that's all I've been using since I started wearing makeup. So I started wearing makeup properly at 18, because all I used to wear was just eyeshadow, and half the time I never wore makeup when I was in school. So yeah, when I did, I heard about Natural Collection because my mum used to use Natural Collection, and I just thought I'm going to stick to that. And because it's the only makeup brand I used, I just continued using it for a long time. But it's good to kind of step away from these brands that you've used as like 18 onwards, because they might end up changing something in their ingredients that isn't good for your eyes or your skin. So yep. But even though it's always been good for me, because Natural Collection don't test on animals, and it's purely for people that have sensitive skin, and it doesn't have any perfume or chemicals in it, like some mascaras might have like really strong chemicals in it and strong smells that might irritate the eyelashes or the skin. But anyway, I'm going to start off by using the mascara wand now and let you know how I go as I apply. So as I can see from the camera, it looks like it's just gonna check my mirror. Yep, I've just brushed one coat and it's already doing the job. So I think it's a plus if you have long eyelashes, which is really good. But I think the aim is more to get people that have really short, sparse eyelashes like interested in buying the product, but they're obviously not going to be interested if they know they've got like shorter eyelashes. Like if you had long eyelashes, I think it's really good for people that have long eyelashes, because you can emphasize it more, like you've got the brush there already. But people who have short eyelashes, they just kind of have to keep applying lots of coats, and it might not go the way they want it to, like how they hoped, and they've seen that like person's eye on the actual like billboard or something in store, like in Boots or like Sephora. They might hoped for their eyes to look exactly like that person's eyes, like their mascara to look exactly the same, and that's not what's going to happen to some people. So I do think it is really good, so I'm just going to apply a few more coats and see what happens. So, sorry, I forgot to mention that I was starting to do it on the other eye, because I did comb my eyelashes through before even doing this. Yeah, well, I really love it. Like when I first got it, I knew as soon as that, I just had this feeling it was gonna be something that I love and that I'm gonna stick to for a long, long time now, because it's so good. Like, I prefer it to the other one I got to try, because this one, it's NYX, and it's XXL, and it's for volume and define mascara, so it's to volumize and define your eyes. But I do think that this one's a lot better for me. Like personally, I think this is the one people should go for if they're looking to make their eyelashes look longer, and not clump them, whereas this brush is completely different. Like I've tried using it. I'll show you what I mean, but I've tried to use it and I do not like the brush at all. So that's what puts me off. I mean, I probably could still use the brush from this one to use up the mascara, but I don't think I'd do that anyway. But it's the brush that puts me off. It's too like wide. Like it's too wide, and it's, when I tried to apply it, it clumps my eyelashes. Like when I have a little bit of this mascara, I did a tester on both, and I just thought this one was not for me. But I'm going to show you what I mean if it happens when I'm filming it. Okay, so yeah, it's starting to clump them now, so that's what I really don't like about this mascara, but I'm going to show you right now. So this is like, oop, I should have really shown like the what it looked like first, but anyway, it wasn't this clumpy. Like, I don't know if you can see. But I mean, it's made the eyelashes look really like nice and long, but some people don't like the fact that it's clumped here. Let it focus quickly. Yep. So I'm just gonna get up and go to the camera, like get up and come closer. Like, I for one don't like that it's made it a bit clumpy. This eye's itchy now. It's made it all clumpy there. Like, my eyelashes do look like they're like really long, but you can see it's where it's clumpy. Just gonna try and see if there's a good light where you can see what I mean. So yeah, I'm gonna get up and see if you can see. Like, you can see where it's a little bit clumpy. This eye especially is like all the eyelashes are together. This eye's not too bad, but I don't think I didn't have to apply that much to see that it was starting to sort of clump. But yeah, I did do my bottom eyelashes. Didn't want to put too much because needs to focus still. I know for a fact that this like particular mascara is not for me. Like for some people it would be, but for me it's not. I just feel like it's, you can see where it's sort of clumpy. I'm trying to get a good angle, but I feel like it's not showing up enough because I'm under the light too much. I'm just gonna try and see. But yeah, that's what it looks like. My eyelashes do look nice, but it's not exactly, that's not how I'd want it to look. And you can see, if you can see what I mean. Trying to gain a different light now. But yeah, it's not as bad as I've experienced it to be before. It's really bad. I had to just go to work with my eyelashes like it was, and it was really annoying because if I redid it I would have been late for work. But I don't like to put too much mascara on, which is why I like to go for just like one that you can put on maybe once or twice, and then it just has that effect straight away. But yeah, I do think it looks fine. Like with the mascara, one that makes your eyelashes look longer is the one that I'd say that I'd go for. It's really good, and for £9 it's a bargain, so I would go for that. So yeah, that's all I have time for today. But yeah, this is what my eyelashes look like, closed and then opened as well. So closed and opened. Yeah, they actually look great, not too bad. So yeah, that's all I've got time for today. And this is my Mickey Mouse jumper, which is what I got from H&M. It's nice and pink, and I do love Disney. I've had a lot of memories from Disney, and I keep watching Disney stuff from like when I was 9. I remember the first Hannah Montana that came out, and I don't keep watching it, but every time I do watch it, people that watch Disney Channel will understand what I mean. It gives you those not goosebumps, just makes you sad because you had all those memories from being at school, and then like when you were small. And Hannah Montana was everything to me. I used to pretend that I was her, even though I know obviously I'm not her, but she was a role model to me, and I did love actual Hannah Montana, and also That's So Raven, and it's really random, but I do love Disney, and people who have watched Disney or haven't watched Disney have actually missed out, because they've still got time to watch the old Disney, because it will be on YouTube everywhere, because I've just been searching it past couple of days and thinking of times when I used to watch videos watch all the old Disney Channel shows, and how amazing it was, and how much it's changed now. But it won't always be the same. It will always be different people, and no matter what year it is. But I'll always say that the oldest Disney Channel's the best, when it was in 2003, like up to like 2010 I think was the last time it was the best time. When you used to watch Brandy and I think it was called Brandy and Whiskers, and then The Proud Family and some other Disney Channel stuff that I'll never forget, because I used to wait up till midnight to watch the last shows, and I wouldn't go to bed till I finished watching them. On the weekends it would be on a Saturday and a Sunday. I'd stay up with my sister and watch also Kim Possible and I just think of those old Disney stuff, and like High School Musical 1, 2 and 3, that was the best, and just all that Disney stuff, and the Cheetah Girls movie. I miss all of that stuff, but if I have kids one day, I'll get them watching all the old Disney. Well, the new Disney's not as good, I don't think. It's just, when I last watched it, it was like, I think 2011, 2012, when Hannah Montana was about to end. I cried when one of the last episode was on, because it meant so much to me when you watch it from like a young age, and then it's your favourite TV show forever, and you realise it's going like forever. People are bound to be upset because it's their favourite TV show, and it's just ending, and you're a kid and you don't understand why it's gonna end, but it had to end because it's Miley Cyrus and she's older now, so yeah. But that's the end of my vlog now, and my Disney Channel days are over. I can always catch the old Disney Channel on YouTube and see what it was like then, but it won't be the same. Thank you for watching my vlog, and don't forget to hit the sub button and like this video, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching, bye!